Right, so this is a bit of fun with the CXC Nav with the 360 camera mount. So any Insta 360 will just fit on the mount, just kind of sits on the bottom of there when the handles come off. It's a very snug fit, and then that pole sits in there, and then just any normal Insta 360 camera, just power that on. This is where we find out we've not charged it. Oh yeah, but loads of battery on it. So that'll go on there and lock in, and now we've got an Insta 360 camera attached to our scanner. So as well as getting the images from the front, we get it from the top. I've not tried it. I've got this little weird kind of Scout Masters flag holder belt to balance the pole in, so it just makes it a bit easier when it's over your head. So we'll lock that in like that. Don't matter about the pole heights obviously, because we're just scanning. We're connected up. We'll just go in there and connect the GPS like we normally would, and then go into that and Bluetooth connection.
Fixed.
Find device, and then we'll just start the scanning. We'll just call it car park, just for fun. But that extra altitude just gives you better, a better view of the ground. And you can just see, look, everything we've scanned in there. We can change it to RGB colour. I know you can't exactly see perfectly what we've got. It's not bad, is it?
Very good.